adwuma de so am say Asem di cabre na ana de bre no afia man kwa dika you was to say Think Media one ne Adom TV ya can see any 16th of April at the adwuma de so betrayal. Last year was different. This time who betrayed? Jesus Christ. Nti hona be hu say ye nuano mo a omo so sini twa no omo bo omo modern pa no wona ba no be yi sa de na che. It's going to be so interesting. You have to be there. You know, nti Kairun say we share episode ne Pa Thomas ne Van Veka ne Dr. Like ne ona akai, you know, Dr. Salim Komunyina omo bia ba be di djuma so nka ma yi na atimi eni atima je hu ye pa. Ebra so mamponi de share presidential staffer and correspondent osai philanthropist no sai obi odi kuayo sinani so oye busua panyi e o enan makomakon wotwe e o mampon eni mre obi ade na mu manso de wadaroma menim se ofri achima ye kro ofri achim kwa ben kra no manso ye gum kakra ba mamponi di hye ono be kwa kusisi tam anopai mejini se ye ode se mi introduce you. Yes. I got you back here. Oh, my God. So, I'm sure now, who's there? Who say, baby, I'm peduting the show says because the quite. It's your talk as maybe I could feel peduting in the crowd. Oh, damn you. Hey, I was and baby idea TDU. Oh, yum. It's the going here. Hey. Asem
baby say ono ba no dia cover easily go here and so say na chromachi o baby na
chromo santo
edi o say oh easily go here say we no the only call here oba lie yeah no easily go here you know
na that way say o mess
no so na chromo santo na easily go here yeah chill yeah brother Asem di kede bro
Asem di dika na say the nura ya kind
yeah
Axim galamsey honsensem ene mranti ayachi omo ene da so ewo so na quickly me pacho director say video na ye ready standing by na ye nkotese abranti ogina ha ye hu no TV so ona a police force say omo hwe na say oye armed robber
ya china na
omo nche no sa ni pan na ya police force omachi omo this is the feed person so mo hwe no some say oye armed robber that part standing by a police for statement on machine no na yentie sa video nsem kakra bi enwe ye ba ye beto asom yentie ye hwa abranti we eye galamsey ni and no we police for statement no from point 1 to point 7 baby no police for car mine Asem it just so baka no an o kan we nya na misa so man police for say a himfana boys no beto share omoso no more ye den si patrol ko patrol wa hefa
19 and now the crate.
Yes,
4 people arrested for attacking police in the Western region, an alleged case of extortion referred to the Police Professional Standards Bureau for investigation. And point 1, on 9th May 2023 the Axim Divisional Police Patrol Team reported an attack on the team by a gang that seized the magazine of a service rifle together with some mobile phones belonging to the police officers. An intelligence operation was immediately launched after the report to get the suspects arrested on 28 March 2023. After about 3 weeks of the intelligence operation, 4 men, Kojo, blah, 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 Sakosi, were arrested for their suspected involvement in the attack. A search conducted at the residence of Kwame Atuasare Eni, the prime suspect, who is still on the run, led to the retrieval of 3 pump-action shotguns, also 1 pump-action shotgun, 2 machetes, 8 BB rifle cartridges were retrieved from the suspect's unregistered Honda CRV vehicle. Other items retrieved from the suspects include 2 live refilled BB cartridges and 1 unregistered motorbike on 1st April 2023. While the investigations were ongoing to get the remaining suspects arrested, the attention of the police was drawn to a video footage in which the said police personnel, members of the Axim patrol team, are shown pleading with members of the gang, while the gang is alleging extortion by the police officers. The allegation of extortion against the officers has been referred to the Police Professional Standards Bureau for investigation. All the suspects in the reported attack on the patrol team who had been arrested have been put before court and have been remanded in custody. Efforts are continuing to get the remaining suspects arrested. Grace Ansar Kofi, Assistant Commissioner of Police, Director Public Affairs.
It's a branch of Kasa in Kwame Ato Asare.
Kwame Ato Asare.
Yes.
All right, okay.
Or Mousa from point 1 to point 7, the Yanka Mani Asembia Ewum. But the full video is there. You able to be a money. Near one, yes, I branch and say. A police for money court money side, because of course, or a galamse guy to name galamse for boys. A quaddy discard the bromo. Or quaddy 30,000, 40,000 near that. Or bar, please for man 1,000, any 2,000. There was one time a police for man called 100,000 Ghana cedis. And of fun while you're this can you only please for issue, I don't know. Apparently, only please for issue, I don't know. That is why original video more all there please for say. Or munche di pa ba ko so no Kwame Ato Asare ani abon krono. Ye tom so ye arm robber. And you see, please for some here the na investigate Asem. With all due respect, IGP Ono Crawford, ye team am investigate this item way. We can't trust the police.
Are they?
Oh man, we cannot trust Ghana Police Service to investigate this issue. I'm an woman
on this specific matter.
That is it. That's a part of Famicom Daily Graphic website. Make sure the 88 been trusted Ghana Police Service to investigate this issue. But the Famicom Daily Graphic website is here first. Now, mention I have 4 ADB. Me 2 million much less here. Mama, who dear your police here, woman, your penny. Ghana police here, woman, yeah, no more empty. Yet to be trust some say, or we investigate this assembly. That's a part of Daily Graphic. Daily Graphic, now, me here to the CIA. Oh man, see my police for investigate this assembly. No problem, you would die.
But we are investigating.
Me say, yeah, prima police for some more assembly more. No crowd was saying, you would die. Before I said, Obeko Daily Graphic, I'm sure 2018. A year after Nana Akufo-Addo has been sworn into office, a police for kotu tutu aswase. And the Korea say a 2 Camerantian son 7. The police for report on the buy. Obviously they were armed robbers. And omni police for exchanging fire. As a result of that, and the police for Tony Kamwa Omuye. Assembly see yen na busuafo wo aswase portable bam to say. Omuma no omunya armed robbers. Kan de do man pene society a yenti ankrankranku no mo investigate Asem. Oman in 2019 and that connect ye no and report about bontin. Report they say after so muti police for or muti kroma for no be anyone na wom say emrante kom no me akrofo. Ewie ya aban yisika 1.750 million Ghana cedis. Sempata sika echema busuan so obi enya 250,000. Now terms the police for me to investigate assembly. Am enya no krewo. The same Ghana police have this statement by at that time I can tell you say nipa so ekuom waswas no omo ye armed robbers. No omo police for exchange guns and omo de wuye. Man peni se there be nkofo kan yenti omo so yenya police for investigation in sinchai. Niampe ankrankrankuo. Me Daily Graphic website.
So all this is happening in the Western region.
Yes, this Western region. Azim. And you see a transfer police for investigation Asem me so my Enko Siaga. And IGP awrewo atro no modi akere no. The way no ya Jim Asem di ye no. Sa na ya ji abrante so asemodi.
Kopem ze hwemu be ye adwuma na.
And we see hwemu de ni kwase police for the year. A police for me hwe sa asem we mu. Man pani ye nyin fafra police for asem. Enye sa no kura wa asem ye hu. IGP dampare ene manfo enka no kura nche ye da. Omne eno kura be sie yen. Me se ne ye si aswasinti. Sa asem se sibisia or say yes na ho de magana for say. Because police for twanto akere yen. Aswase de no. Omi de akohwie. Atro na da eno betugu Ghana for ani.
Right.
Before I'm saying kono. In Zima East.
Yeah.
MC. Honorable Elizabeth Dorcas. I'm from Anti-Dorcas. May say Kembium, you don't deserve to be MC for Azima East.
Okay.
For your involvement in Galamsey. You don't deserve. Mampeni, and it's your mind where that a fachem like best 1 minute. And now call Galamsey site. What else my boy sneaker? And say for Munyom come Mejai. I'm come Mejai because I'm for a car some go masum. Or move on your way.
All right, the CP, you can't be giant swamp. Say, it's a crunumbo. Crony, the ever born in a boy to so. Until Mr. We are Ghana near. Be proud this time. Now be bold in so. Nama Ghana was a Mandawakamas, your call.